With tropics starting to heat up, it's important to practice your emergency preparedness plan. That includes staying up to date on your flood insurance policies. I'm KATC's Anna Fisher, speaking with a Lafayette insurance agent about some common misconceptions.
Flood is considered any water that rises from the ground, any water that comes from the sky, whether that's a storm, hail.
New Orleans native Marius Haydel moved to Acadiana in the 80s and works for Farm Bureau Insurance in Lafayette.
Flood is its own animal. You cannot have a flood claim on your homeowner policy. And that's the biggest mistake I think people make.
With hurricane season underway and the tropics beginning to fire up around Florida, he wants to clear up some common misunderstandings about what's covered and what's not.
They think their flood insurance is covered underneath their home insurance. The only flood you could really get in a homeowner policy would be if your pipes overflowed and it flooded the house.
Looking to buy flood insurance? Haydel suggests you act now.
There's a 30-day waiting period if you are not involved in some type of home closing or you're not required by a mortgage company to have it. So if you called me today for a flood quote, and I wrote it today, your insurance would not be effective until July the 30th.
Yes, I do have flood insurance, but every year it gets higher and higher. It's just ridiculous.
With some of the highest rates in the country, Louisianians like Abbeville's Patricia Celestine say it's important to be prepared, but at what cost?
I feel so sorry for the people that can't afford to pay for it, because there's so many people that would like to have it, but they just can't afford to pay for it.
Celestine says she's been married 47 years and has never filed a claim.
You know, people that haven't used their insurance, haven't filed, they should not be charged the same rates as somebody that's filed, a couple of times or whatever. Because, where's all this money? We could have saved the money up.
Insurance is a risk. You can say that it'll never happen. It's just that when it or if it will.